Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. Hope you are all doing well. Okay guys, so today we'll be making a special soup, our melon seed soup, egusi soup, Ofe Egusi. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I'll be showing you the things I'll be using for my egusi soup, my Ofe Egusi melon seed soup. So guys, that's my egusi, my melon seed. I'll be making use of it. Then that's my osu. It helps to thicken the egusi soup. And my okporoko, my isi okporoko, my stockfish. That's my stockfish. My dry fish, my dry catfish, that is it. And my smoked fish, my kwanla fish, that's it. I'm using kwanla fish for my egusi soup, so I'll be using it. It's smoked fish, but we call it kwanla here. So guys, this is my meat, my cow meat, my crayfish, my okwe. This is ogiri okwe, locust beans. I'll be making use of it. And also I'm making use of dry pepper. I'm making use of nor cube, my salt, pepper. I'm making use of this pepper as well. Even though I'm using dry pepper, I'll also use my red pepper. So that's my ugu, my vegetable. I'll also be making use of my oziza leaf. I love the taste it gives in egusi, so I love using it for my egusi. So guys, that's my palm oil. I'm making use of palm oil. That's it. So that's my onion. So guys, let's start. If you want to know how I prepare this my special egusi soup, keep watching. Guys, the first thing I'll be doing is to cook my meat, to boil my meat. And I'm making use of my pepper and onion, so I'll blend it. So that's my meat. I finished washing. I washed it with warm water and salt. So I've added my nor cube. I've added my salt. So I will also be adding part of the blended pepper and onions, and I'll keep the other one. I'll set the other one aside for my soup. So guys, I'll mix it together with my meat, adding my stockfish as well. I'll cook all together, meat and stockfish. I'll cook all together. So that's my stockfish. I'll make sure I mix all together and cover my pot for it to cook well. It's like I said, I will be cooking this egusi in a special way. I'm not frying it. I'm doing it in my village way. You know, I love village style. I'm a village girl, so I love village style. So guys, this water, I will boil this water. I'll be using it for my egusi. So you can see our meat and our stockfish. That, like, as you can see, they're progressing. So let's keep cooking. Just I'm turning the stockfish so that the ingredients, the pepper and everything will enter inside of it very well. So guys, that's my melon seed. I'm about to mold it. Since I'm not frying it, if it's in my dialect, we say egusi. So I'm molding it. So I'll be adding little water, warm water inside and salt. Then I'll turn it very well and start molding. Then you saw the water I put on fire. I will allow the water to boil very well before putting in my egusi. And when I put the egusi, I will allow the egusi to, maybe it will cook for about 20-25 minutes, yeah, so that it will cook well. That's the way we do it. I will allow it to cook very well before adding other things. Guys, as you can see, our water is boiling and I'm adding the egusi now inside the water. Okay. So guys, that's I finished molding, as you can see. So So let me allow it to cook very well. Let me cover the pot and allow it to cook. So that's it. So guys, I've been cooking this egusi for about 20 minutes now. So let me test it and know if it's okay. Yeah guys, it's okay. So guys, the egusi is okay. So I'll start by adding more water, the water I will use to cook the egusi soup. I will add my meat stock. I'll add my meat stock. Yeah, I'll first of all by adding my meat stock, then red oil. I will allow the red oil to cook before adding other things. It's very simple. Guys, checking our meat. Our meat is okay. I believe you won't allow your meat to be too soft. So like this is okay. So guys, that's my meat stock. I've added my meat stock. That's my meat stock. So I just added little water to it. So I will be adding my red oil. So guys, I'll be adding my red oil now. You know one thing with egusi soup? Egusi soup love red oil. So just add enough red oil that will make your egusi soup to look like egusi soup. After adding the red oil, I covered my pot and allowed it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes so that the red oil will cook well. Adding other ingredients that I will use for my soup. So guys, at this point I'll be adding my stockfish and my meat. Yeah, I'll be adding all together now. That's my stockfish and that is my meat. So I'm adding my stockfish and my meat. So guys, that is my dry fish. I will be adding it now. I just added my dry fish. Guys, that is my crayfish and my ogiri locust beans. I blended both together. So that's my pepper here. Then my osun. I will add little water in my osun. Yeah, that's how it is now before adding it in my soup. So I'll be adding it now. I'm adding it in my soup. So I'm adding my osun so that they will all cook together. After adding my osun, I'll add my crayfish and my ogiri and other things and allow them to cook well. The remaining pepper, I will add it now. So guys, now I'll be adding my smoked fish. I didn't add it all this while because I don't want it to scatter, so I'll be adding it now. So guys, that is our soup. So I'll be adding my uziza leaf. see me adding salt. I don't know, but I checked my salt. The salt is okay, because when I was molding the egusi, I added salt. In my meat, I added salt. So I checked the salt. The salt is okay. So if you're cooking yours, you check salt and add salt to taste. Make sure you add it, to not be over. So guys, at this point I'll be adding my ugu leaf. I've added it. Once you add it, you turn it very well, you mix it very well with the soup and allow it to cook for like a minute or two. You know it's vegetable, you won't allow it to overcook, and you bring your soup down. Yeah, so guys, my egusi soup is ready, guys. You can come and join me. Hope you enjoyed the style I used to cook this egusi soup. Guys, see you in my next video. Bye.